Listen, if she's not interested, you can't force her to miss you. You can't text her into desire. You can't nice guy your way into her heart, but you can make her feel something she's not expecting. And when you do it right, she'll catch herself thinking about you, even when she swore she never would, even when she told her friends you're just a friend, even when she thought she had you all figured out. I'm going to show you how to flip that switch, without chasing, without begging, and without losing your self-respect. Because when you understand this, you stop being an option and become the man she can't stop thinking about. This isn't manipulation, it's psychology, and most men never learn it. So first, the painful truth, why she's not missing you right now. Picture this. You text, she replies late. You ask her out, she's busy. You try being nicer, she gets colder. You're doing everything right, yet it's all wrong. Because when you try too hard, you tell her one thing. You have unlimited time for her. And unlimited attention has zero value. In her mind, there's no scarcity. Your attention is just background noise, and she's drowning in it every single day. DMS likes, compliments, every man pushing himself into her awareness. Her brain filters you out, not because you're not good enough, but because you've given her no reason to notice the difference. Humans are wired for contrast. We ignore what's common. We crave what's rare. So if you want her to miss you, don't give her more of you. Give her less. Here's the paradox. The moment she feels your absence, she notices the void you leave behind, and curiosity starts working in your favor. So the first move, disappear from her front row. No texts, no story views, no reactions, just silence. Not out of anger, but peace. Because your peace is power. When your name vanishes from her notifications, her mind goes, wait, what happened? That's the first spark of attention you've had in weeks. But don't disappear into emptiness. Build a visible life. Friends, gym, travel, energy, new pictures, not to impress, but to express growth. When she sees you moving forward, two thoughts hit her fast. Wow, he's actually fine without me. And then, who's he spending all that time with? That second question. That's gold. That's the start of missing you. Add social proof. Natural moments with people. No fakeness, no jealousy games. And let your life create memory triggers. A song, a place, a quote she connects with you. Now every time she sees it, you pop into her mind. And when you finally reappear, not too soon, you show up different, more confident, more grounded. No explanations, no apologies, just quiet strength. That's when indifference turns into intrigue. That's when she starts missing you, not because you disappeared, but because you evolved. So remember, don't chase her energy. Build your own gravity, because when you master that, you don't just make her miss you, you become unforgettable. If this hit you somewhere deep, drop a comment with the word value. And if you're ready to level up as a man, you already know what to do next.